Digital marketing is a form of marketing that uses digital technologies, such as the internet, mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium, to promote products or services. It covers a wide range of activities, including email campaigns, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, online advertising, social media campaigns, and more. Digital marketing has become an essential tool for businesses trying to reach their customers in an ever-growing digital landscape. Channels of digital marketing. There are multiple channels. Some of them include search engine optimization, social media marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a method of digital marketing used to increase the visibility and ranking of websites on search engine result pages. It involves optimizing content and making sure that it includes relevant keywords to improve organic search rankings. SEO also helps to structure website content in a way that makes it easier for users to find what they are looking for quickly and easily. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, is another type of digital marketing which works by placing ads on various search engines, social media sites, or other websites where potential customers may be searching for related products or services. PPC campaigns are targeted towards specific audiences based on their interests and demographics, allowing businesses to reach more prospects with greater accuracy. Social media marketing involves creating content and engaging with followers across different social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc., in order to promote products or services online. It allows businesses to build relationships with their target audience by providing valuable information and responding quickly to customer queries or complaints. Importance of digital marketing. In today's business landscape, digital marketing has become increasingly important as it allows companies to create more personalized experiences for their customers by leveraging technology. With the rise in mobile usage and internet access across all demographics, consumers now expect businesses to provide them with customized messages tailored to meet their specific needs. By utilizing data-driven insights from analytics tools like Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics, companies can better understand consumer behavior and create targeted campaigns that will be most effective for reaching desired outcomes. Digital marketing also allows businesses to gain an edge over competitors by quickly responding to consumer demand and staying ahead of new trends in the industry. Additionally, studies have shown that digital ads can generate up to 2x higher conversion rates than traditional advertising methods like TV or print media ads. This illustrates just how powerful digital marketing can be when used properly in today's competitive business landscape. Digital marketing strategies. Developing a strong online presence is essential in digital marketing. This can include creating and maintaining reliable social media accounts, registering the business with popular search engines, and developing unique website content that will capture the attention of potential customers. By having an online presence, businesses can reach out to more people than ever before while also giving customers an opportunity to interact with them directly. Creating engaging content is another important component of effective digital marketing strategies. Content should be valuable and informative for customers, providing them with useful information about products or services without feeling like it's just a sales pitch. Video content such as product demonstrations or tutorials are especially efficient when it comes to grabbing customer attention and encouraging engagement. Targeting specific audiences is crucial for successful digital marketing campaigns, since it allows businesses to focus their efforts on those most likely to purchase their products or services. This can be done by studying customer demographics and interests, as well as leveraging various data-driven analytics tools to help identify target customers more precisely. Once identified, businesses can tailor their campaigns accordingly so that they better resonate with their intended audience. Challenges in digital marketing. One of the primary challenges that businesses face in implementing effective digital marketing strategies is budgeting. Companies must dedicate a significant amount of resources to digital marketing, and often lack the financial capacity or know-how to make the most of their investment. Additionally, there is no guarantee that campaigns will be successful, which can be discouraging for businesses with smaller budgets and limited resources. Another challenge that businesses face when it comes to digital marketing is staying up to date with changes in technology and trends. The internet is constantly evolving, which means companies need to remain aware of new opportunities for engaging customers as well as any potential risks associated with them. Finally, companies may also struggle with finding skilled personnel who are knowledgeable about creating campaigns that yield results. Without an experienced team on hand, businesses may find themselves unable to maximize their return on investment from digital marketing efforts. To recap, it's clear that digital marketing is an invaluable asset for businesses operating in the modern world. It allows companies to reach out to potential customers on multiple platforms, while gaining valuable insights into customer behavior at the same time.